Warehouses traditionally have been perceived as cost centers or non-core business activity that doesn't add much value to overall product or service. Therefore, most warehouses are deprived of technology and continue to use archaic paper-based process management systems. In a conventional warehouse, the warehouse manager puts together a paper-based pick list for an order and hands it over to warehouse operator with all required instructions. The warehouse operator strolls across the warehouse to locate the product that he is required to pick. Most warehouse operators spend up to 65% of their time walking and trying to locate a product in the warehouse. It also results in shipment errors and increased order turnaround time. Warehouse managers have no real-time visibility of all ongoing activities. The whole system is extremely rigid and ill-suited to handle warehouse dynamics, thereby affecting warehouse reliability and delivery. Avancer Aider is a state-of-the-art digitization platform that digitizes every aspect of warehouse operations, from planning to execution to reporting. It covers the entire spectrum of warehouse operations, from inward to put away and pick to dispatch. It also optimizes utilization of manpower and equipments to ensure optimal performance. So, how does it work? The receiving operator gets a list of all outstanding ASN. The operator scans incoming goods to confirm its arrival. Once receiving is completed, the ASN status is updated and put away is assigned to appropriate operator. The put away operator scans the items intended to be put away. Aider allocates put away location to the scanned item and the location is shown on the device. Operator confirms put away to the correct location by scanning barcodes, and item status is updated in real time, ensuring 100% accurate put away every time. The system can handle process flows for both unit items and full pallet configurations. To initiate outbound operations, supervisor simply uploads orders to be fulfilled. Aider uses smart load balancing and routing algorithms to generate optimized pick lists. The operator receives pick instructions based on the MHE in use. Operator completes the picking operations by dropping off the picked item to its intended location. Picked items can subsequently be tracked till the point they are loaded into the truck. With a robust reporting module, warehouse managers can get all their KPIs in real time at their fingertips. From activities pending to order dispatch status to productivity metrics to operator level productivity. You will never be starved for timely and quality information. Using Aider's Trend Analyzer plot and compare key metrics for up to 365 days. Aider can be connected with your existing enterprise application, thereby enabling shop floor operational visibility at the highest enterprise level. This seamless information visibility allows for data-driven, timely, and accurate decision-making within the supply chain. Aider addresses all inventory-related challenges for all stakeholders to ensure your warehouse continues to deliver exceptional value and customer satisfaction while optimizing supply chain cost and eliminating errors. In addition to being in a wearable configuration, Aider field devices can be installed on both fork trucks and trolley to suit your requirements.
आम्हाला काही इश्यू होते, त्यामधला मेजर इश्यू होता की तो म्हणजे फिफोचा, की आमच्या कन्साइनमेंटला फिफो फॉलो होतो. आणि दुसरा इश्यू होता ट्रेसेबिलिटीचा, इन्व्हेंटरी ट्रेस करणे, कुठला पार्ट कुठे. ते सॉफ्टवेअर इम्प्लिमेंटेशन झाल्यामुळे आमचा फिफो कंट्रोल झाला. त्यानंतर प्रत्येक इन्व्हेंटरी ट्रेसेबिलिटी इम्प्रूव्ह झाली. इन्व्हेंटरी ट्रेसेबिलिटी इम्प्रूव्ह झाल्यामुळे प्रत्येक प्रॉडक्ट आणि प्रत्येक पार्ट आम्हाला इझिली अवेलेबल झाला, मिळायला लागला. त्यानंतर ऑर्डर सायकल टाईम आमचा रिड्यूस झाला, त्यामुळे आमचे शिपमेंट्स फास्टली मूव्ह व्हायला लागले.
ADA is not restricted to your warehouse alone. It can be deployed across the entire value chain to improve inventory visibility, process visibility, eliminate supply chain errors, improve productivity, and optimize supply chain cost.